Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to play video YouTube on home screen. Yeah, you see I can change place. Yeah, I can go to another site. Yeah, Facebook. Yeah, and Telegram, Messenger. Yeah, and play music from YouTube. No stop. Okay, how to do this? First, please everyone help me to subscribe, like, comment and share on my video. Okay, now I click cancel. Okay, let's start together. First, use this application Chrome. Yeah, Chrome. Yeah, you see Chrome. Yeah, Chrome over here. Okay, you can find this application on App Store. Yeah, App Store. You write Chrome, CHROME. Yeah, and click one, and you see Chrome, Google Chrome. You just click get. Me, I'm already to download, and click open. Now I click open, and then you see this. Yeah, you see this. You can open Facebook, sub or private Facebook. Yeah, you can use this application Chrome. Yeah, and YouTube also. Now I open YouTube, and then I click search music, no copyright. Yeah, I'm search music, and then I click open, and you see this. You just click one, and you see this. Yeah, you want to see this, click this one, and then click one. You see up this one. Yes, already. And then you can back to home screen. Yeah, you see you can change, make small and change place. Yeah, and you can play another app. Yeah, play Facebook or something. Music no cancel, no stop, and you change can get side. Yeah, okay, thank you everyone, hope you guys understand about this video, and thank you for everyone. Please help subscribe, comment on my video. Okay, thank you everyone. Okay, bye bye.